we're going to work on feeling what it's like to sing a unison, a fifth, an octave, and a third. First, we're going to start with a unison. So here we go. Match this pitch. 3, 4. Now you can sing it on a neutral syllable like ooh or ah. You can sing the number. This would be 1. You could sing solfege. This would be do. Whatever system works best for you. If you feel yourself running out of breath, you can take a cheater breath and come back in. Now I want you to try to push this note flat. Try to make it a little bit under the pitch. And then bring it back up. Hear how it changes the sound and the vibration in your head? Now push it sharp. Make it a little bit higher. And then bring it back. Okay. Now we're going to sing an octave above. 3, 4. That's the same thing. I want you to try to push this pitch flat. And now bring it back up. Okay, push it sharp. And bring it back down. Okay, stop. And now we're going to sing back to the unison. Here we go. Good. Make sure it's in tune, it's vibrating correctly. Now we're going to count up. If this is 1, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to stop on the 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to hold this pitch, and this is the 5th. This is the second most consonant interval in the major scale. Push it sharp. Bring it back. Push it flat. And bring it back. Now let's go up an octave. Down to the 5th. And down to the unison or to the 1. Good. Here's the 5th. You can use the number 5 or so. Here's the octave. And back to the unison. Okay, now we're going to count up to number 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to hold this. This is the 3rd. You have to think a little brighter on the 3rd. The 3rd is less consonant than the 5th. It's harder to tune. I want you to push it flat. You can almost change it to a minor 3rd. And now bring it back. Now push it sharp and bring it back. Alright, we're going to go back to the root. 3, 4. Here is the octave. 3, 4. Back to the root. 3, 4. Now you can either count in your head, which is called audiating, or you can sing up. We're going to go to the 5th now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the 5th. Go back to the root. Here's the 5th. Go back to the root. Now we're going to count up to the 3rd. We have 1, 2, 3. Hold it out. Go to the 5th. Back to the 3rd. Back to the root. Go up the octave. Go to the 3rd. Go to the 5th. And here's the root. Alright, if you don't feel 100% confident that you can sing these pitches with tonal accuracy and know what they feel like, then repeat this process over again. See you in the shed.